Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Vellabox. I'm super excited. So Vellabox is a candle subscription and I love it. So all of their candles are artisan made, they are luxury scents, elevated design, eco-friendly packaging, and natural ingredients. So they have several subscription plans and I will link them down below along with a $5 off code. So Vellabox is kindly sent to me free for review. I also get another candle paid for every month. And they did give me a code. It's an affiliate code I will leave down below to save $5 on your first box. And I also get a $5 kickback for that. So thank you in advance if you use my code. Just want to be totally transparent. So we're opening up the September box today. I get the Vivere. And I found a few boxes from last month that were like packaged away somehow. So I'll have some older subscriptions coming up soon. But after we open September, I'm going to show you the August box that I paid for. So this one's PR, the August one is paid for, and then I have a candle going by them right now from a past month, I can't remember which one, by Night Shift Wax, a golden teakwood, sea salt, cedar, leather, and bergamot. Smells divine. But yeah, let's get this open. I love Vellabox, clearly I get it in PR and I still get a paid version too. So like I said, there's multiple subscription plans. Should I move this a little bit? Let's do my, can I do that? Every time I try and do this while I'm actually on the phone, it doesn't work. So yeah, I'll just move it as we need it. So what was I saying? Yeah, there's multiple subscription plans and you also get a free extra item in each of the plans. And look how cute it looks. It comes in such, this is like the cutest one ever. Those like little peaches, oranges, I don't know, but it comes in a reusable bag. You get a little thing here that talks about where the candles come from. So they are always made from local artisans in the US. I love that they support small business. And now this is relatively new. They give you a Spotify playlist. It looks like self-love is the theme. Take time to do what makes your soul happy. Yes, that is so important. And you know what? Lighting a candle and listening to some music does for me. So listen and burn for the ultimate vibe. I'm like the only person in the world that doesn't use Spotify, but okay, you just scan this, I guess, and it'll have the playlist, which is super cool. So I'm gonna try that. Note self. I'm gonna do it this month. So this is the Vivere where you get a 16-ounce large candle. And they do have a scent profile now, so you let them know. There's like 4 different categories. There's like woodsy, this one might be, I don't remember. Citrus, floral. You can let them know which ones you like, you don't like. This is seriously so cute. So let's see what our candle is. Introvert. Oh my god, it's such cute packaging. Authentically Co. Introvert, Authentically Co. Scented soy candle made in the US. We'll get the notes in a second. I'll have to read them too. Oh my god, it smells so good. I feel like there's hints of vanilla. So this is from the Woody and Spice. And you can scan to repurchase or learn more. So let's first read about the company and then I will... Can you guys, I can't see what you guys can see, so I'm really sorry. I'm just gonna put it over here so I can see there. So let's read about the company first. Authentically, wait, why am I not saying that right? Authenticality. There you go. So this is founded on the idea that everything is better in its purest form. Their collection meshes luxury aesthetics with eco-conscious ingredients to nudge you into calmer moments and beautified spaces. Each product in their collection is hand-poured and expertly crafted by their team in coastal Virginia. Casual Virginia. They exist to remind you that self-care should be an everyday luxury, just as you are. You are enough. And you can get 20% off their website with Vellabox, the code. So introvert. You guys ready? Cute label. Smell-o-vision doesn't exist, so I'm just going to hold this up and you can imagine. The notes are sandalwood, amber, and vanilla. And again, this is from the Woodsy and Spice choice. Okay, so take a deep breath in. Deep sniff in. For the introspective soul who thinks and feels deeply. You love people in small doses, but need to balance social time with moments of solitude to recharge. Whether you're creating, journaling, or catching up on your favorite book or series, you should burn this candle to add a cozy element to your alone time. It smells so good. I chose this one. They asked me what I wanted. I love sandalwood. I couldn't remember though until I got sandalwood, amber, and vanilla. Oh, it's so nice. I think that really fits too. Now let's look at our little extra. This looks like it's some of those tote bags that fold up. Yes. Surprise item. Away we go tote bag. $12 value. Nice. Headed to the beach, mountain, deserts, or perhaps just the grocery store. So pretty. Wherever your next adventure may be, bring your Away We Go tote along for the ride. Durable, machine washable for repetitive use, plus it folds up small for easy storing and packing. Yes, I love that. So I'm going to keep it like this because I can't figure out how to zoom out, but you can see it right here. I'm super excited about that. I try and only use reusable bags. Even though when I get grocery delivery, I feel so guilty because they like put everything in a plastic bag, like one item from each aisle. I know it's easier for them, but it stresses me out. Okay, so this is last month. So I loved that. Love it. A little bit got in here, but I don't mind. Probably because I live in Southwest Florida, for those that don't know. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not going to get ahead of myself. And it's super hot here, and I probably left it in the, or it was probably in my mailbox for over a day or something. So the extra item looks nice and cute. So, you see how we have a different bag each month? Looks good. No, I definitely do not open this. No, I didn't get a PR one last one. This is the only. Okay. Paloma. Ooh! Oh my god, I just started drinking those. Well, I had like one once and it was really good. I drink it all the time, I wish. Fragrance notes, grapefruit, lime, tequila. We hand pour our candles with 100% USA grown soy wax, phthalate-free fragrance oil, and cotton core wicks. This is Mocha Candles in Vellabox. Reuse what you can, recycle the rest. I do save my jars. Okay. What do you think? Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Okay. Ready to take a sniff in? All right, so the notes are grapefruit, lime, tequila, and this is in the citrus group. Embrace those end of summer vacation vibes from home. This scent is fun, fruity, and just makes you want to relax poolside with a cocktail in hand. Bartender, one Paloma candle, please. Okay, both. Oh my god, it smells really good. This is definitely summery, and this is like more like moving into fall. Oh my god, candle heaven, woo! Okay, but look how cute these are! Oh my god, I saw these at the Cormat, or like, I try not to say anything yet, because I'm way too ahead of myself. Net Zero Co. Their mission is to empower a movement towards sustainability and make earth-friendly products the norm. Founder Amy started Net Zero in 2018 selling reusable straws. Now they've designed and made over 100 sustainable products and still have the straws. Net Zero proudly ships carbon neutral and plastic free with recyclable and compostable materials. In every order plants a tree. Awesome! Their products and efforts help propel a low-waste lifestyle. I love that. And there's a code here to save 33% off their website, Vella33, netzerocompany.com. And this is a set of 6 silicone baking cups. Now I have an excuse to bake cupcakes. Made from 100% food grade and BPA-free silicone. These silicone muffin cups are both dishwasher and freezer safe, so you can eliminate toxic chemicals and the need to constantly repurchase liners. Use them to make delicious muffins, sweet cupcakes, or anything else your creative self desires. Guys, I'm super excited about all of this. It smells so good in here. It already did because I had something burning, but just having these open, oh my gosh, I love it. I love Vellabox. I have forever. If you guys have been around, this is like my most recommended box pretty much. Like if you're looking for a gift for someone, you can't go out with candles. Or for yourself, like self-love, remember? That's the theme. So again, they will be linked down below along with that promo code. Thank you again if you use it. I think you will love Vellabox. I mean, I get it free and I pay for it. So yes, free, and I'm so grateful. I'm so, so grateful. It's thanks to you guys. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you so much.